Sunball.
Sunfall here with a guide for Santa Fortuna. This will be my sniper only, silent assassin, suit only, master difficulty run. So to start with, we're going to go after Rico. We don't need the crowbar this time because we're not busting down that door. Figured that would save us a bit of time if we did it a different way. When you get here, you'll be able to climb up. And then what you gotta do is pull out your rifle. See the guys walking past? You'll have enough time to climb up and they won't spot you. And if you're quick enough, you can pretty much just run straight to the cave there. And not have to worry about the guards. Otherwise, wait in the bush and you'll be fine. Remember the camera that's right here. Now we have to be careful because we are armed. We will get spotted slightly faster. But we should be good as long as we are careful. We want to make sure we go through the cocoa fields. Just like you normally would, without being seen. Be mindful of those two guards if you get them like I did, if you noticed I was walking very slow. And when we get here, the guard just in front of me on my right, if I was to pull out my gun, he's in direct line of sight to see me aim. So I unfortunately have to sit here and wait. Got unlucky there. I could cross over and probably sit behind the tree, but I didn't want to risk it. I figured better to play it safe. Alright, he's on the move now. Turn off this air conditioner and wait for the guy to come out. Now this bit's a bit tricky. You want to get on the left side so that way you sort of choke him and bring him down on your left more than anything. I don't know what happens if you do it any other way, but that's how I did it. I figured it concealed him a bit better. Pick up the key. That will get us into the shack. Now check where the guards are. And don't forget to shoot this camera here. Alright, the guards should not spot me. So I'm going to risk it and open the door. Pick up the key card. And pick up the plans, I guess they are. Climb into the storage box and play the waiting game for Franco. I originally said that we were going after Rico, but I actually meant Franco. They have very similar names when it comes to that. I decided to pop out and thought about placing some coins to distract him, which I think was actually a better idea. Because I want to get him out of view of the guards. my main reason for wanting to get rid of him first is because if you shoot the body through the window, like you shoot him through the window, there is a small chance that one of the guards decides that they want to peer through a window and see his body. So rather than that, I figure we kill him first, hide his body, don't have to worry about the guards. This is the part where we play the waiting game again. I figure we may as well have a look around the place while we're in here waiting for him. He's close by though, so we don't have long to wait at least. I got lucky there. It's not like he just left the shed. At the moment he's investigating the place where I would normally kill him if it wasn't a sniper run.
Weird. So what?
And here we are, he's investigating all the coins.
Awesome.
So now I can take my opportunity to get out. Subdue him. Because like I said, I don't want to be busted. I tried shooting him a few times while I was in here, and because of the way the sniper rifle is, he would bounce around and knock stuff, and that would make noise, and then come and investigate. Or worse, he'd get into a position where I couldn't grab him and hide him. So, unfortunately, the best way I could do it was to bust a cap right in his head with a sniper rifle. It's not pretty, but it gets the job done. Now, you want to hang to the right, because that guard can see you pretty quickly. But now we're pretty much free to go. I have no clue why that guard almost looks like he spotted me with his little rectile, but for some reason it's like that. I just made sure that I wasn't going to alert him because of that. Let him follow his route, and I deliberately took a bit longer. Normally I'd be heading through the bushes pretty fast to get to the next target.
I don't know how to put this, but I like it. No lo creo.
Now this part can sometimes make or break the run. We have to make sure that this guy's not watching us when we go for it. See, right there he was, so I stopped and went back. Because we won't make it to the bush if he's watching us straight away, so we have to sort of time it so that we get a little bit of distance before he starts to spot us. And see, we were able to break line of sight. I'm not sure where the bodyguards are, so I had to look, and it looks like they're coming our way. So unfortunately, I had to go up here and wait for them to do their little route. But being the impatient assassin that most of us are, I didn't want to wait. And then they started heading towards me.
Mm-hmm.
I was getting ready to distract him, but he didn't bother looking, so that was good. I could hide up here because they all walk in the bush I was in. So I've got to basically hide over here. So now they're heading downwards, which is the way we actually wanted them to go. I got unlucky, unfortunately, with that. But I got lucky that I didn't get spotted, so you win some, you lose some. Trying to find the vines so I can climb down. They're a bit tricky sometimes. You want to conceal your sniper rifle now, because we're pretty much out of there. So that's Franco dead. Now we just have to go work on Andrea. Cross the bridge again into the town. Grab the crowbar because it makes a good distraction for Andrea. Throw a coin at the blue barrel. Then hit the crowbar ready. There's a reason why I knocked this guard out, and that's because sometimes, it's very rare but it happens, sometimes he would hear what I want Andrea's secretary to hear. As soon as you knock him out, retrieve your sniper rifle. Grab his body and put it in the rubbish bin there. I would not want anyone to go in there in real life. That is disgusting. Did you see all those flies? Now we just gotta wait for Andrea to come and make the phone call, which it looks like she's gonna go make. So we didn't have to wait long, luckily. That was good timing. Her secretary will enter first, not her. She enters after her secretary. And then all you have to do is wait for the door to close. Aim the crowbar slightly up, not slightly down. You want to aim it slightly up at the wall. See, like right there. And they will both hear it. And then she will tell her secretary to go. And you want to get out the coin, but you want to make sure the secretary's gone a fair distance before you throw it, because I've thrown it too early sometimes and she'll stand at the doorway and then you snipe her and then it's a big mess. Get your sniper rifle out, and while she walks
Martinez
over,
is down.
take your shot.
Good work.
Dump her body out the window so it can't be seen. That will hide the body. Pick up your coin. Hide behind the desk just in case, because sometimes she will like to look through the window, but I've only had that happen maybe 1 out of 10 times or 10 tries, so you should be good. Then we head to our case, which I forgot to do, and I had to quickly jump back over the fence and almost got busted. Conceal your sniper rifle. That was such a close call. I don't know how I didn't get spotted that run. Don't do that. Make sure to hide your sniper rifle. But I had so much I was thinking about. Like, I got to get the can. I gotta get the meaty bone, which is what we're getting right now. And then we gotta get to Rico.
My husband nearly lost his arm when the winch broke, but I think he's
You want to get into this blue shack here. This blue shack isn't a trespassing zone, so you can walk right in. They will tell you to leave because they don't like you in here, but just grab the meaty bone and then leave. Make sure not to grab the kitchen knife because that's an illegal item that is near the meaty bone and they will spot you. Now we want to head into this part of the forest. Shoot the log there. It can be a tough shot, you have to shoot the actual rope, but once you do it you can just cross quite easily. There's a door on your right that requires a key card, but you can bypass it if you bring other stuff, but I use the default loadout other than the sniper rifle that I have to bring, so I don't think it's much trouble to go the long way around anyway. I think it's actually pretty easy. You just have to go past these guards and cling to the right. When we get up these, into these ruins, we want to drop, not retrieve, drop the sniper rifle, and we want to get out the meaty bone, and you've got to arch yourself and throw it so it lands into the hippopotamus area. The guard will get noticed, but he won't actually come over.
Just saw something strange.
He just stands there looking. I was going to take him out, but the hippopotamus trainer was too close.
Oh, that is so wonderful. Now,
If I was to take him out right now, I would have got busted. So I unfortunately had to let him go. So plan B to take him out, because plan A is to normally take him out on the left there. I wait for him to do his routine. He will go up to the hippopotamus and stand there, and that gives us a perfect opportunity to throw a coin to get his attention. Or you can just run up and you can subdue him. I prefer option 2. No unnecessary wait time then. And we got plenty of time while hippopotamus trainer is going and getting Rico to dispose of his body and get in position. The reason we didn't take the case is because even if you're in concealed grass, if you drop the case in the concealed grass, the hippopotamus trainer will come over and then you're busted. So right here we want to retrieve or pick up and then retrieve our sniper rifle. I wasn't sure how much time I had. Rico wasn't here yet, so I could get into my proper position. You can snipe him from where I was originally, just in case you run out of time. But I do prefer this position to snipe him. Now I'm just waiting for Rico to get here. And here we go, Rico is finally on his way. Along with the hippopotamus trainer, but he will get rid of him shortly. We just have to wait for him to have a conversation with him where he pats him on the back for the job that we did.
Oh, my little mijo. Come to Papa, it's me. Huh? It's your Papa coming to you, little one. Come on. Oh, how are you, buddy? I am impressed with your work. Yeah, I honestly thought that I would have to feed you to the hippo, but you pulled it off. Look, I'll wire you your payment as per our agreement. Now, if you'll excuse me, and leave us alone for a little while. I want to spend some time with mijo by my side.
Now we just gotta wait for the hippopotamus guy to leave, and the security guard there, we have to keep an eye on. He can spot us if we were to get out of the grass.
For a while, huh?
Alright, he's left enough.
All targets neutralized. This should paralyze the cartel.
And
Excellent
thankfully
work,
for me, this
now head for
one,
an
his
exit.
body actually landed in there. Sometimes his body will land on the wall because sniper rifles are not the best, sadly. For that reason, you can shoot someone and they will land wherever the hell they decide to land, rather than being ragdollish and pretty much just landing near or in what you're trying to shoot them at. So that's that job done. I saw him move, so I was waiting for him to do his walk, as I didn't know if it was going to be left or right he was about to go. So that's why I went back and waited. But now we're pretty much in the home stretch where we can escape. And we got to hide all 3 targets, which is a bonus, so they won't find them at all. The closest one to this area is the boat at the blue doors. You want to go into the door on the left here, because again this one is the only one that's not unlocked. Thank you for watching.